Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm gonna cover an important topic, and that is how you can block email messages on your Apple Watch. While the Apple Watch offers very nice features and it's incredibly convenient, it does have some limitations, so yeah, it's crucial to understand what we're doing here. At first, to turn off email messages specifically on your Apple Watch, you will need to use your iPhone paired with your watch. The Apple Watch itself doesn't offer the same level of customization for managing emails as your iPhone does. So grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, and this is the place where you can control everything when it comes to your Apple Watch. So once you're in the app, navigate to the notification section, and this is where you'll find the ability to customize notifications for each app installed on your Apple Watch, including any third-party email apps you might be using. Within this section, you have several options to manage how your Apple Watch handles emails. You can choose, if you go to the mail section specifically, you can choose the Mirror iPhone option, which means your watch will handle all notifications the same way your iPhone does, or you can customize Apple Watch settings to handle notifications differently than your iPhone. This flexibility allows you to decide how and when you get notified on your wrist. One of the key options includes adjusting the visibility, so you can disable them entirely, which means that you won't be disturbed by any email notifications on your wrist. Or another option is to just show them in a different way. Just use these settings that you can see here and set it up the way that you want, but obviously you might want to disable it altogether. Now, this also applies to any third-party email client, so in case you have the Gmail and you have a specific app on your Apple Watch, do that. If not, go to your iPhone and make sure in the Watch app that the notifications don't get mirrored from the iPhone to the wrist. You get my point. But you should also know that there is like a different section if you want to block like a specific email address from reaching out to you. Then I guess it would be a best idea to just open up the mail client on your iPhone and block that specific contact there. On the watch, it's not going to be as convenient, so I would advise you to do it on the watch. On the iPhone, and it will not get delivered to the watch as a result. But that's about it. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.